initially the digital transformation in insurance sector were already there, but it was the adaptation. The customer adaptation has only been limited to the early majority. Now the late majority and the laggards are in the consumer life cycle or the target group are also being receptive of the fact that yes, insurance could be procured or purchased, or the claims could be handled digitally. But before the COVID-19, and it's my personal opinion, and I would like to know your view on it. I've never thought that a banking operation or a complete insurance operation could be managed remotely. The entire workforce, the entire disruption, the disruption that was happening in the insurance sector has been always from the front end perspective. Like there has to be a marketplace, or there's a different channel of distribution, or there was different way of gaining more customer reach. But with COVID-19, I saw that how quickly after the initial hiccup, even the insurance clients or the finance client were able to move their entire workforce to start their operational due diligence and the operational day-to-day operational processes in the remote sector. So how will you explain the continuity planning and remote technology to elevate the workforce disruption in this sector?
Yes, truly. When this pandemic started, the insurance companies were completely caught off guard. And I think most of the insurance companies must have invoked this crisis management plan for resuming their normal operations, as insurance falls under essential services in many cases. Some companies are better prepared, while the others were not. I think here technology played an important role, who were already very well into the digital mode. And but the companies also faced a lot of challenges due to poor IT infrastructure and network capabilities. I think were quite limited in the homes of workforce also. And this data security also emerged as a challenge, because passing on the data to their telecallers in their home and through various channels was a challenge. And any breach of data can cause the companies quite dearly. Again, scaling operations in such a short time to continue the desired level of services were not very easy. There were a lot of hiccups. Decision making was not easy, as collaborating important meetings and taking decisions over phone proved to be quite strenuous. Again, in Indian insurance market, a lot of business is being done through direct intermediary who are in direct contact with the customers. They also could not visit the customer, and the business was hampered. So, but as we go forward, the growth of the adaptation that we have done through digital medium, and if we can take it forward, the main challenge I think was in the mindset of people that we have crossed. Now people would be ready to adapt to and be agile in adopting new technology, and in terms of providing services to the customer, providing all claim processing facilities to the client. So as we go forward, this, since we have already adapted, this will grow in a positive direction.